Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorial how to blur edge. As example, I will open this image and I will create frames with these rectangle tools. Don't forget to change into path and I will click start from this point into here. After it, you can click on selection button and then I will set for the fit radius like into 15. Click OK. Now to make blur in the selection, you can click at these icons to create new maps. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorial how to blur edge. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.